With a massive 6,400 mAh battery, a stunning 50MP OIS camera, and a blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo sounds like a powerhouse. But is it really worth your money? Let's find out. The Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo promises a sleek design, top-notch endurance, and a camera built for stunning shots. But can it truly deliver in real-world usage? In this video, we'll test its limits and reveal if this is the ultimate smartphone for you. The Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo feels solid the moment you pick it up, with its glass front and plastic back. At 196G, it's neither too heavy nor too light, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. The build is sturdy enough, and you'll appreciate the IP64 rating that ensures protection against dust and water splashes. The 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 144Hz refresh rate is definitely one of the standout features. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, or gaming on this screen is a treat. The vivid colors and high refresh rate make every interaction feel smooth and responsive. And with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, everything looks crisp. You can even keep your screen on all the time with the always-on display feature, which is pretty convenient. Now, let's talk about what's powering this device. Inside, the iQOO Z9 Turbo runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This combination provides amazing speed and multitasking abilities. Whether you're browsing multiple tabs, playing graphically demanding games, or streaming, the performance is smooth without any noticeable lag. I was really impressed with how it handled heavy gaming sessions. No frame drops or stuttering. The GPU, Adreno 735, takes care of gaming, and it's fast enough to handle high-end games at high settings. But all that power means nothing if the battery can't keep up. Thankfully, the Z9 Turbo is equipped with a massive 6,400 mAh battery. I didn't have to worry about charging it in the middle of the day. Even after a full day of usage, streaming, gaming, and constant social media use didn't seem to drain the battery at all. And when it was time to charge, the 80W wired charging support got the phone from 0 to 100% in no time. Plus, the reverse charging feature is handy if you need to charge another device on the go. Now, moving on to the camera performance. The 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, is a real treat. Whether you're capturing the vibrant colors of a sunset or taking close-up shots of food, the details are sharp, and the colors are natural. The camera really stands out in low light as well, thanks to the wide aperture that lets in more light. If you're into wide-angle shots, the 8MP ultra-wide camera covers a lot of ground, and it's perfect for landscape photography. Selfies? The 16MP front camera does an amazing job, whether you're indoors or outdoors. The dynamic range and clarity are spot on, and even in well-lit conditions, you'll get crisp and clear shots. When it comes to connectivity, the iQOO Z9 Turbo doesn't disappoint. It supports the latest Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast internet speeds, and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless device pairing. The inclusion of NFC is a nice touch, making it easy to make quick payments or pair with compatible devices. The phone also supports multiple navigation systems, so you can trust it to guide you accurately whether you're in a city or out in the wilderness. The software experience is equally impressive. Running on Android 15 with Origin OS 5, the interface feels clean, smooth, and user-friendly. It's packed with features that enhance usability, and while there are some pre-installed apps, they don't slow down the phone. The under-display fingerprint scanner works reliably, offering quick and secure access to your phone. But what about the price? For around €250, you're getting a phone that combines performance, camera quality, and endurance in a way that's hard to beat at this price point. So, is the Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo worth it? Based on everything I've tested, it definitely punches above its weight. The combination of power, camera, and battery life is something you don't typically find in this price range. If you're looking for a phone that can handle everything you throw at it, this one should be on your list. That's a wrap on the Vivo iQOO Z9 Turbo review. This phone packs a punch when it comes to performance, camera, and battery life. If you're looking for all-round value, it's definitely worth considering. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments.